Assalamu alaikum dear students. Students, today we are starting with the functional group analysis. So dear students, all of you are aware that what are the functional groups. Okay, when we are studying the organic chemistry, we say that functional group, that is either the atom or the group of the atom which is identifying the nature or you can say property of your compound. For example, we have OH, alcohol. We are having COOH, carboxylic acid. We have CHO, aldehyde. We have CO, ketone. And we have X, that is chlorine, fluorine, bromine, iodine. So dear students, these are the few functional group. Okay, now in your exam you will be given any particular unknown organic compound and you will be asked to find out the functional group present in that. So today we are starting with our first particular organic compound. So dear student, our today's compound is in liquid. It is a colorless liquid given to you and you have to go for checking the particular test and you have to find out that which is today's your organic compound. Generally not the organic compound, you have to find out, you have to just find out the functional group. Okay, there is a difference between the compound identification and the functional group detection. So dear student, let me tell you first of all, first when you talk about the organic compound, you check the unsaturation test. So we are not doing today the unsaturation test. That is a common test which we use with the help of KMnO4 or else we use the bromine water. If the color of KMnO4 or bromine water decolorizes with your organic compound, double bond may be present over there. Okay, we are starting with the another functional group for today and today's our functional group is alcohol. So dear student, we have to find out the OH. Let us begin with the test of the alcohol. So dear student, first of all let me tell you, first test of the your alcohol, that is you have to take the given material into one of your test tube and you have to use the solution, that is you have to use your cetic ammonium nitrate solution. If you are using your cetic ammonium nitrate, let us see. So dear student, if you are getting the wine red coloration, it shows the presence of the alcoholic group. It means this is your first confirmatory of the alcohol. Let me tell you, you are having one more confirmatory, that is with the use of KOH and you have to dissolve this particular into your CS2, that is your carbon disulfide. This test we are not performing. We are performing one another test, that is our esterification. Dear student, आपको पता है कि अगर अल्कोहल है तो एसिटिक एसिड के साथ it gives the ester formation. So that is what next we are going to do. What we have to do, we have to take our test tube and in this we have to add the given substance. Dear students, then what you have to do, you have to use your acetic acid. Dear student, acetic acid and alcohol gives you the esters formation. That is what we know. One more important thing, dear students, we have to also use the few drops of concentrated sulfuric acid. Why do we use concentrated sulfuric acid, dear students? We use the concentrated sulfuric acid as a dehydrating agent. Few drops of concentrated sulfuric acid as a dehydrating agent. And now dear students, what we have to do, we have to heat this. If on heating, if we are obtaining the fruity smell, it means esters are present. Okay. so let us heat it. It starts giving you the fruity smell. So dear student, the fruity smell which you are obtaining over here indicates the presence of your today's organic compound, that is your alcohol. Okay, one more test is there which we are going to observe right now. That is, generally you are not asked to perform, but I am just showing you that how this test has been done. For this you require the dry test tube. So dear student, this is your dry test tube and you have to take your organic compound over here. So dear student, when you are taking your organic compound over here, I am going to drop the piece of the sodium metal. I am going to use the piece of the sodium metal. I hope you are able to see the bubbles have started. Dear student, these are the bubbles of hydrogen. The bubbles which are coming out, those bubbles are of the hydrogen. So dear student, this confirms the presence of your alcoholic group. Your alcohol is present. Okay, this is your first detection. Similarly, we can go for the detection of the another functional group. I hope you have to remember 3 tests over here. First of all, you have to check with your steric ammonium nitrate. It should give you the wine coloration. Okay? Second, you have to check the esterification that you do with the help of acetic acid plus your organic compound, sulfuric acid, and heat it. Fruity smell, you are getting the indication alcohol is present. One more test, we just drop the piece of a sodium. This generally you don't have to perform, just to make you know that this is how we confirm the presence of our alcoholic group. So dear student, do not get confused, and we have to generally remember that alcohols are the compound in which OH group is present over there. Okay, so OH group, when it is there with your aliphatic chain, we call it as a alcohol, but if it is with your benzene ring, we call it as a phenol. So this is the difference between your alcohol and phenol. So first organic compound which we have done just now, that is our alcohol. I hope it is clear to you all, dear students. Okay, so this is the first one over there.